Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in this video tutorial we will discuss MDCAT test 2025 chemistry MCQs part 2nd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for MDCAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. So this is PMDC public notice. Keep in mind about MDCAT test, Medical and Dental College Admission Test on Sunday 5th October 2025. So best wishes and best luck. The minimum number of carbon required for a monosaccharide: option A 1, B 2, C 3 and option D 4. So the correct option is C 3. Explanation is the simplest monosaccharides are trioses, which have 3 carbon atoms. For example, glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. The monosaccharide found in some bacteria and occurring rarely are dash. Option A trioses, B hexoses, C tetroses and option D pentoses. So the correct option is C tetroses. Explanation is while trioses, pentoses and hexoses are common 4 carbon sugar, tetroses are relatively rare in nature and are found primarily in some bacteria. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. So this is very important MCQs. Animals' fats are dash at room temperature. Option A liquids, B gases, C solids and option D none of these. So the correct option is C solid. Explanation is animals' fats are primarily composed of saturated fatty acids which have straight chain that pack together tightly, resulting in a solid state at room temperature. Plants' oils with more unsaturated fatty acids are typically liquids. Majority of the monosaccharides found in human body is dash. Option A D type, B DL type, C L type and option D none of these. So the correct option is A D type. The enzymes and metabolic pathways in human body are stereospecific and are designed to recognize and utilize D isomer of sugars. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. The reagent used for distinguishing a reducing monosaccharide from reducing disaccharide is dash. Option A Fillings reagent, B Barfoed's reagent, C Selivanov reagent and option D Benedict's reagent. So the correct option is B Barfoed's reagent. Explanation is Barfoed's reagent test is basically used to detect the presence of monosaccharides. It uses copper acetate in acidic medium which is reduced by monosaccharides but not by disaccharides under the test conditions. The product of hydrolysis of starch by amylase is dash. Option A glucose, B soluble starch, C maltose and option D sucrose. So the correct option is C maltose. Explanation is amylase enzyme break down starch into smaller sugar molecule. The primary product of this hydrolysis is disaccharide maltose, which is 2-glucose unit. Simplest carbohydrate is dish. Option A, glyceraldehyde, B, glucose, C, fructose, and option D, dihydroxyacetone. So the correct option is D, dihydroxyacetone. Glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone are the simplest carbohydrates, each containing 3 carbon atoms. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। The red precipitate formed when glucose is heated with Benedict's reagent is dash. Option A, cuprous oxide, B, cupric oxide, C, cuprous hydroxide, and option D, cupric hydroxide. So the correct option is A, cuprous oxide. Benedict's reagent contain copper 2 ions when heated with a reducing sugar like glucose. The copper 2 ions are reduced to copper 1 ions, which form an insoluble red precipitate of cuprous oxide. Thank you for watching my videos.